Lotus root. Do you like lotus root? Honestly, I don't like lotus root, but it has vitamin C and carbohydrates, etc. Our body needs them. So, to stay in good health, I should take it. How about you? Lotus root. Do you like lotus root? Honestly, I don't like lotus root, but it has vitamin C and carbohydrates, etc. Our body needs them. So, to stay in good health, I should take it. How about you? Lotus root. Do you like lotus root? Honestly, I don't like lotus root, but it has vitamin C and carbohydrates, etc. Our body needs them. So, to stay in good health, I should take it. How about you?